Hello Lambretta friends, worldwide. I have some sprockets and gears with me. Let us have a look towards them. This is 16 tooth Lambretta front sprocket. You can have a look and you can count the teeth also. Here, this is generally the basic information about the Lambretta spares. So you will come to know about what are all the parts in the Lambretta spares. A fantastic finish. You can have a look. This is 16 tooth. By the size you will come to know easily, but this is of 19 teeth. You can count them. This is not related to the Lambretta Lee 150 Series 2. This is the different gear. This is Guru gears. This is not from APA, not the original one. So I took it for some other purpose. We will check it later on regarding the teeth and the cluster. And all these are, and these gears are Lambretta Lee 150 Series 2 are modified. See, very light in weight. I made the holes in the heavy engineering shop floor. See, very light. This is the fourth gear, and this is all are of APA original ones, and this is of second gear. See, the point in this is when you are removing the material, you are removing the strength of the unit. Please make sure how you remove the material, keeping the strength in force is very, very important. There are many calculations but are very simple. You have to check it practically everything. Calculating the gear ratio is one aspect. Taking the trials on the dyno is other thing. And actually when you come on road and what are all the results you are going to get is the real thing. So in between, what you are doing is very important. How you are judging the gear ratio and what output the vehicle is producing. I mean, at the end of the crankshaft, that means at the front sprocket, we are receiving the power and we are transferring to the rear wheel with various components. So keep in mind that everything comes in calculation. Everything, including the tire pressure. So you have to keep it in mind. Along with, there are many other factors which are affecting the engine performance in the first gear, second gear, third gear and fourth gear. We will have a look towards that side also. I hope this video is useful. Let us meet again.